curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Do you guys remember my closet 2 months ago? Yeah, it was disgusting, it was sad, it was depressing. But today, that's gonna change. I just threw things in my closet and over time I hung up things, but I just made it worse. Never organized it. This is what this video is about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I thought, what is not a good place to start a video? What the whole video is about? My closet. So yes, I'm filming a video in the closet and no jokes. That sounds pretty weird, but honestly, it's just me redecorating my closet. There's like a whole bunch of people on YouTube doing it, and ever since I moved in my new room, I have been just tossing things into my closet and not even care where it's going. It had been like this for the last 2 months. So I was like, you know what, I just finished my room, why not start working on the closet, and then I can feel like a better person inside. So guys, let's start with this closet. So you guys, to get me started, I am going to put on a playlist on Spotify to get me going along with it. I'm so excited. This is gonna take me this is a challenge. Me finishing my closet in one night, one day, sorting laundry and everything. And it's currently it's like currently 6:08. I thought I had a message. So let's see if I can really do it. Okay, so pretty much, I'm gonna see if I show you guys. I just cleared out this whole floor area, so now I can actually wait for it. Walk to the other side of the wall. So yeah, so now I can actually walk to the other side of the wall, and I had cleared up this area. So now I am going to be going through this area. I'm not really gonna flip this camera around yet. Go through this area, my clothes, and then I'm gonna go through and organize through my shoes area, which you guys cannot see. Am I showing you guys? I think you guys see it. I don't know, I tried. And then I'm gonna go through, okay, and then guys, I'm gonna go through these clothes and then these up here, which,
So guys, I went through some clothes one time before and I went through the clothes like I'm not gonna wear anymore. So this is like clothes I'm not gonna wear. And then this bag is pillows that I had on my bed one time before, which I think I may use this pillow. You guys, I may use this pillow, but just flip it around. Because I think that'll look that'll look nice. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm actually gonna just use this pillow and just flip it around. People don't gotta know there's a print on this thing. But like I say, guys, this is pretty much clear out. I just need to organize it, and that's pretty much it.
okay, so originally I was going to put on this wall, but then I was like, no, maybe not. So then I decided to put on this wall, and for me put like my belts and shades and stuff on. So I was thinking I actually got spray paint in this because I hate that it's gold, but I think for right now I'm just gonna leave it, and I don't know, I may spray paint later on. So yeah, I do not own a mini belt, but I am going to put my belts on the last shelf. Not last shelf, yeah, like the last little cool part of it. So let's just put these here. It's not the most aesthetic looking thing, but it's gonna work. So the next thing I want to add is some couple of scarves.
which is apparently tied up. So in the winter, if I get some more scarves, I'll just put it, yeah, I guess I'll put it right here, just in case if I get some more. Yeah, put it right there. I thought I have another one, but it's gotta be somewhere in my closet. I also put these two thumbtacks in the wall so that way I can hang my purses on it instead of just having it there. I also hang my work hat there so it look a little bit more. Okay, so as I was cleaning up my closet, I found this Aeropostale bag, which I had got these things like a couple of weeks ago, but I was wearing some of the hairbands, but I just didn't know where the rest of our hairbands were at, but it was left in the bag. So I found a couple of hairbands, which are super cute. I got them on sale, I think. I'm not even sure. I got them so long ago. But I also found me a pair of shades, which is so cute. I have not worn them yet. I was trying to get the little sticky tag off. Alright guys, I just took all the clothes that was hanging here out because I want to re-go through them and figure out what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. I saw on Pinterest it's best to start with a clear, clean closet. I'm not going to take my shoes out because I just organized those, but I am going to take all of this clothes and stuff out of here. And then after I get done with that part, I'll go ahead and do that part and like clear out all this area. And yeah, so I'm going to see you guys when I get done. So guys, to make it look organized, I think I'm going to do like the long stuff here, then medium dresses and stuff, and then come over here, it'd be like my shirts. And then up here, I'm going to do like jeans and like maybe sweaters and stuff like that up here. So I thought guys, I would just give you guys a time check. It is currently 8:24. So I'm doing it just for around 2 hours now. So you guys, I decided that when I took the clothes out the closet to go ahead and sort them by color and put them in their pile. So that way, one thing I have to do is pick up the pile and put it into my closet. This way it'll be faster, quicker, and easier for me. Guys, I have gotten this part done, but I have come to a conclusion that maybe I should also, I don't know, like organize it by material, because like I have like 3 jean things right here, and then this is also kind of like a jean material, and this is kind of like a jean material. So I'm like, I have to put all my jeans together, then the regular dresses, and then this material, then that material. Like over here I did really good because I'm doing things by like long to short, even though it looks weird, but come down on length is also kind of messed up too, so it's kind of driving me insane. But like I have like my long sheer tops here, my medium, and then the ones that got my arms out. But these are also kind of like my long shirts, so it's kind of like longer than the bottom part, which is driving me insane. But like I'm looking at it from here up, so like pretty much where the sleeves are at. So I'm like, hey, if it's a cold day, I need to run over here. Well, I don't have any long sleeve tops up yet, but I gotta run over here to the cotton long sleeves or like to the short. And honestly, I don't want to wear something sheer, so it may sound confusing, but I'm trying to make it work. Okay, so I am looking a little crazy because it is, let's see what time it is. It is 11:08 right now, 11:08. So I am pretty tired. I've been up since 6:45 and I had to go work today. It might look, my bun even came out. I look a hot mess. But you guys, I finally finished. I am done. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Wait, let me change the camera around. Okay guys, this is the closet door. Let's go inside. Okay, that was weird.
my closet, the first thing you see is, of course, that blank wall area. But when you first come in my closet, I have all of my jumpsuits and dresses. I did them, as I explained before, I did them by length. And then after the length, I did them by like the length of the sleeves. So these are like the long ones with long sleeves. This goes from long to short in length with no sleeves. And then this has medium sleeves, which I have from long with short sleeves. From here to here is short to long. And then you come over here, you have my sheer tops with long sleeves all the way up to the sheer tops with medium sleeves, and no sleeves are at all is right here. And then sadly only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 shirts that are cotton that are from long sleeves to short, and that's it. And then come over here to my Converses. I try my best to do them color coded. I probably got my colors wrong, but it's whatever, I guess. It's from my black, white, blue, red, well, burgundy, red, pink. Am I missing a pink? Oh no, it's way back there. Skull green, work shoes. And then I have my flats, my ankle, my pair of my ankle boots, shoes I never wear, heels, shoes I barely wear, my gray shoes that are like just walking outside, not really walking out, just like slip-on shoes that I will wear. I do wear these, but these are like my quick shoes. My pink ones, which I should put them over here under the green, not under the green, probably like under the light pink, and then went to schools, but now I forgot. But I always switch them. And then come over here, I have all of my shoes I did by brands. I have on my Fila's, I have on my Tommy's, my Sperry's, one other pair, Dirty Laundry. Okay, that sounds weird. Then another box of Converses. And yes, you guys, that's the vacuum cleaner there. But that's pretty much it when it comes to my shoes. And then you come over here up top, I have jeans that I will wear, but not yet. I have one skirt right there. That's really cute, which is sad because that's the only skirt I have. But this one right here is a 2-piece, you guys, and it's so pretty. Anyways, so that's a skirt. Then I have shorts, but these two are pants, but they're kind of like short pants, kind of hard to explain. I'll probably wear one day and like, oh, wear my closet tour. Anyways, light pairs, medium, dark, rapid tees, and a winter, which I probably eventually, if I do more shopping, which hopefully I don't, but I am gonna give me some more graphic tees because I only have like that many, and I'm like, I really love graphic tees, so I definitely get some more of those eventually, not anytime soon because I have enough clothes. And then I'm probably gonna get some more cotton shirts that are short sleeves for the winter, not winter, summer, but that's pretty much it. And then over here, like I said, it's winter. I'll probably am putting that in a box, not a box, in a crate, along with these pants. So yes, and then we come over here. My dog is like following me everywhere. Hi. Okay. Over here, you guys, I have underclothes. Okay. Over here, guys, I have my underclothes, socks. You know, I'm not gonna say whatever. It's kind of, I don't feel comfortable with saying it. And then over here, I have like my pajama pants and shorts, pajama shirts, workout and yoga dance clothes there. I have all my sweaters here, which I have quite a few. There's like one, there's like some in the back. I also have a windbreaker back there, a leather one. It's right there. Come down here, you guys, and that is where I have a little like a throw, I guess you'd call it. Sheets, and then a hoodie, and then of course the hoodie I'm all gone. But there, I always thought all my hoodies are black, and I would love to get like a white and gray hoodie, and maybe even a blue one. I love having hoodies that are like the basic colors, like white, gray, blue, and cream. Like I don't need no wild color. I like basic color. Just get your shirt I wear or jeans, it all matches and it's all good and calming. And then come down here, I have my Christmas spread. Yes, I have a Christmas spread along with my Christmas pillows. I have this bag here that used to be my soccer bag, and it will legit stay right here.
Heather soccer. I did soccer for like 5 years. I did soccer. So that's there. I have other bags inside of it, and this is my old school bag. I didn't have anywhere else to put it because I was going to put it right here, but I decided not to, so I just crammed it in there because I know this is an area that I'm not going to be touching anytime soon. Okay, I think you guys can see me. Oh god, my hair. Who cares? It's like close to midnight. So you guys, it is currently 11. So guys, show you guys, this is currently 11:19. So I did finish it. It took me, I think it started around 6 o'clock, so it took me 5 hours to do it, but I did it. I'm happy with my closet. Is it the best organization? No. I'll probably go on Pinterest and find something else for me to do, for me to make it look a little bit more neater. But right now I am content, I am happy. I can walk into my closet, I can actually pick out an outfit, and I step over things and fall over stuff and hear things falling in the middle of the night in my closet. Hopefully the things I pinned up on the wall does not fall and scare me. But honestly, I am really happy right now with my closet. So I did finish my closet before midnight, before the next day. So I am, like I said, I'm really happy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more. There's lit content coming out more soon for the swing of the YouTube thing. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Wait, I got my license. Yay.